Arsenal just won their record 14th FA Cup title, and much of the plaudit goes to one man, that is the ex-Gunner Mikel Arteta. In the London Derby, the North London came out on top as Arsenal defeated Chelsea 2-1 and saved their disastrous season by winning the FA Cup. Hey guys, my name is Zishan. Welcome back to Talk Football, home of reviews, tactics and transfer talks. In this video, we'll take a look at this Arsenal side and look at the changes that the boss Mikel Arteta has brought into this team. We'll also be talking to some of the Gunners fan and hear from them to know how they feel about their season. And hey, if you're here for the first time, consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon if you want to see the similar kind of videos. Also, do remember to check our channel playlist. The links are in the description below. So let's just jump straight into the video. Before Mikel Arteta took over this Arsenal side, the team had conceded 28 goals and kept just one clean sheet. This team had conceded more than 2 goals in 10 of their 15 games. But then, the board assigned Mikel Arteta, a person who knows the club inside out, who knows their philosophy and who has been there at the club for 5 years, winning 2 FA Cups. And in the remaining 23 games, Mikel Arteta's side conceded just 20 goals and they also kept 9 clean sheets. That's a huge improvement if you consider the time he has been given. This team has shown defensive solidarity in such a short period of time. And now let's take a look at the changes this Spaniard has brought to the side. Since his arrival, players are energized. They have gone from flat to fervent under a strict disciplinary rule imposed by the boss. He has put up a spinning wheel of punishment, ranging from a £50 fine to polishing the captain's car upon infringements. With this, he has also created a friendly atmosphere, instructing his players to call him Mr. or Mikel instead of boss. With a boosted confidence and hunger to improve, the players work much harder. They have become more demanding and relentless in pressing. This brings me to my next point, mentality. The fans love Arsenal for the beautiful position-based football they play, and Arteta has reminded them just that. The team has seen a rise in the possession start and their creativity of goal creation chances have increased. They are also working off the ball and closing down the opposition in unison, being aggressive in a coordinated way. They are now running more and playing at a faster tempo and covering more ground than they did under Unai Emery. Structure and format. Under Emery, Arsenal lacked a sturdy positional framework. But under Arteta, the dynamics have improved. We can't say that they have improved tremendously just because of their lack of consistency, but Arsenal has defeated Manchester City, Liverpool and Chelsea in the same season and almost in the same month. Mikel Arteta has mostly used a 4-2-3-1 or 3-4-3 structure. While in transition from right to left, the players now cover the holes left by the movement to avoid counter-attacks. They have also now become more fluid in attack, shifting from left to right, and the decoy runs of the front three has proven fatal. Defense orientation. Arteta saw Arsenal's weakness and has laid utmost emphasis on the leaky defense. They perform well as a unit and a clean sheet mentality is restored in the team. Tightening up the team's off-the-ball movement was a priority and it has been dealt with. The spirits have lifted, they are more balanced and less vulnerable to counter-attacks, which is evident from this stat. The next point is trusting the youth. One of the reasons why the 38-year-old was picked with such a high-profile task was because he knows the team philosophy. He has stood by the long-standing tradition to give the youngsters the chance to grow. His faith in kids like Bukayo Saka, Gabriel Martinelli, Reiss Nelson has given him an extended option when the likes of veterans haven't been performing. For example, Nketiah was trusted to replace Lacazette and Saka had a breakthrough campaign on the left. Apart from this, Arteta has boosted the confidence of some senior players who were underperforming like Nicolas Pepe, Granit Xhaka, Mustafi, David Luiz and Ceballos. Arteta has also changed a few players' position to suit the team well. For example, Torreira has been asked to play the role of central defensive midfielder rather than being a box-to-box player. But that isn't all. Now let's connect to some Arsenal fans and hear from them what they really feel about their season.